Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be the first to see the latest video.
As we all know, that the purpose of us being here is to serve our country in the future. So it is very important for us to know what actually the patriotism is, because it is the tool which will make us to reach to our objective, that is to serve our country. So first of all, knowing what actually the patriotism is. It is the feeling of oneness and having love and compassion to its own country. Now coming to patriotism in India at present, then for this I would say that the condition of patriotism in India at present have worsened. The feeling which was vibrant throughout the country before independence is all seen growing under the shade of personal gain, or we can say it selfishness. If I will have to make you believe, then I will better take an example. We know that our country is one of the most corrupt countries in the world, and how this corruption arises. This corruption arises out of our selfish motive in which we go against the interest of our nation, and these scams and bribery are happening because of it. The biggest drawback of our education system at present is that the students are not trained in such a way so that their true patriotism feeling can grow, and the result is that even those who get any post do not succeed in their endeavors of doing any good to our country. One thing we should remember here is that it is not our intelligence or education which matters more, but the intense feeling for our Mother India, which alone can move us to work for the welfare of our country, even though we be an illiterate or unsuccessful person. Education is coming, and compulsory education should imbibe the teaching of true patriotic feeling, then only the immense power for work will be utilized. We better believe that we are the sons of our own individual mothers, but what happens when it comes to believe that we have also come out from the womb of this very land, which is our Mother India? Are we not the sons of this country? Are we not fed by this country? What sense of responsibility we will take if we don't have feeling towards our nation? At last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that let us not remain as a spectator seeing our Mother India suffering with its problem. Rather, we be the heroic sons of our country so that the coming future generation shall be proud of us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.